Crank Software's latest release, Storyboard 6.0, is taking the next step forward in helping teams build products with great UIs for the world of embedded devices. Filled with more functionality, improved performance, refined workflows and features, Storyboard delivers what you need to get your product to market on time and on budget. Storyboard really captures the idea of being able to do more with less with the introduction of Storyboard Lite. Products are moving beyond using basic displays. From thermostats to coffee machines, wearable devices, and more, there's a growing demand for rich UIs on platforms with less memory and less storage. Storyboard gives users the big insight they need in order to go small with Project Metrics. While building products for smaller devices, Project Metrics provide feedback on how much memory and storage various resources require. Knowing where a specific screen or layer requires a lot of memory gives insight on where changes can be made to optimize an application. And now there's greater control over how resources get deployed to an embedded target with resource export configurations. Users can refine their export options to best fit their best UI for their chosen platform. Whether you're a designer or a developer, planning, creating, and developing an application takes time, so being able to work smart instead of working hard can make a big difference. With Storyboard 6, design states have been added as a better way to visualize and develop an application. A lot of the time, applications are built that run animations or have screens with hidden layers. The challenge is, how do you add functionality to elements in the UI that can't be seen in their initial state? Changing the UI into different orientations, just to add functionality to various elements, and then restoring everything back to its initial location, involves more time and adds extra steps that don't need to be taken with design states. Design states give the user a dedicated view of their application in its different modalities. Users can easily add functionality to the UI without needing to rearrange their project. There's a lot that's been added to Storyboard 6. Experience faster performance with 3D on more hardware platforms, or take your product international with a new and improved translation feature. Storyboard 6 is taking major steps in adding subtle details to help your team build and deliver great products. Try out Storyboard 6 for free. Check out our new website at cranksoftware.com and download the free Storyboard trial today.